Hey, there's your girl LaVon, and I'm back with another video. You excited?
Really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall, and a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it broad day.
Oh my gosh, I messed up my shirt. What's up, beautiful people? Gang, it's your girl back with another video. Y'all, so we have made it to our destination. Tell me, let them see your face. They gonna see I got clips of you. That girl I showed y'all that clip earlier, I'll put her again right here. We here. And I want y'all to see I want y'all to know where we at, but I'm not ready to tell y'all. Who should I tell them? Our job sent us here, so we're here for like 5 months, at least 5 months, maybe more. Let's get started. I want to take y'all a little tour of this place, and then at the end of this tour of this house that we're staying at, I'm gonna let y'all know where we at, let y'all know where our job sent us. So, all right, y'all, let's go. My bedroom, I got a patio. I'm gonna have all my workout stuff out there. I got trampoline, I got so much stuff I'm gonna have out there as a little gym. This is my bed. I got my little outfit that I'm wearing tonight. I remember that. I had it in my eBay haul. If you haven't seen that, there is a eye up there you can click on. I have one closet here. Got my workout clothes. I need to get some more, some towels. Got my drawers. I'm just still unpacking, so don't mind the mess. Another closet. And here's my bathroom. Hey, there's your girl LaVon, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and I have a toilet in here, which is in another room. Okay. This is my friend's room, but right here, this is an extra bedroom. So when we have friends, some come over or whatever, our parents, when they come down, they'll have their own room. This is my friend's room. She's actually cleaning, packing. Well, okay, friend. Okay, got your stuff all put up. Some of our stuff is here. The rest of our stuff is still getting transported. So this here is a bathroom. So it's 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. We have a little dining area. No, that's the dining area. So what is this called? Seating area? I don't know, but here's the patio out here. So I can be doing some workout stuff out here as well. And my friend right here, she gonna join me. Wave your hand. And here's the living room, y'all. So pretty. Like the color scheme, the thoughtfulness, and all the decorations and stuff. It's just so pretty. And then we have, excuse this stuff on the table, but our little dining area, and then the kitchen, y'all. In the kitchen. I'm gonna speed this up, refrigerator, because we gotta go do something, but I want to show y'all outside. We got like the ring thing, so don't be trying to come in our house and do some stuff. Oops. But anyway, this is us outside, our stuff. And we got a 2-car garage. Washer and dryer is also in there. But yes. All right, y'all, so that was just a mini tour of our place that our job sent us to. We are, ooh, let me get back to some light. We are super excited. We're super happy. Like, look at this natural light. Like, this natural light is everything. We're super excited to be here. So, y'all, we are gonna be spending the next 5 months of our lives in California. I'm super duper excited. I hope to add my workout for today in this clip or in this video, but I may not. But this is day 1, Vlogtober. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button down below so you're notified whenever BP gang post another video. That's Beautiful People Gang. If you do not know, we get lit over here. We are crunk. Join the family, join the crew, and let's do what it do. All right, so if you see me in the next clip, that's because I decided to work out. It had enough time because we're going out with another friend in a little bit. So if you see me in the next clip, that's because I had time to work out. If you don't, just know that I worked out. I'm gonna get it done regardless because it's October. I made a promise and it is what it is. Don't forget to follow me on my other social medias, Instagram and Snapchat is down in the description. I love y'all. Tell my people that you love them, friend.